In those days, the rumour started there would be an inquiry. Full and frank disclosure, the government kept hinting. A tribunal of independent adjudicators and observers. Independent observers. They'd look into the events thoroughly and into the sequence of events that led to them, into the decisions and actions that led to those particular events on that day. The correct name for what happened was Operation Light of Day. That was what the history books will call it. But my husband, the captain procurator, always referred to it as the manoeuvres. I used to say the mistake, but I avoided talking about it then, and I still don't like to dwell on it now. Maya, she called those events the outrage. I so wished she wouldn't. An inquiry had been going on all along, of course, beneath the surface. Not yet officially, but questions were the stuff we breathed, except that we didn't breathe. At home, Maya might as well have not been there. She was always in her room, on her machine, writing. When she did talk to me, she'd argue. We have to find out so that there won't be a next time, so that it stops. Any progress towards peace has to start by finding out who did it, and what exactly they did, how many people, how many died. But my husband, he wouldn't see it that way. He'd ruminate. Robust, full, frank disclosure, transparency, yes, of course. But then he'd start qualifying this and qualifying that, and Maya would get angry with her father till he'd say to her, "That's what we're told, that self-examination's the gold standard of democracy. That is what the government wants, and we agree. I agree. Every nation on this earth should be accountable and transparent. Absolutely. But there's a limit to all this fessing up. Some things should be known and some things not. Some things should be said and some things. I've told them, no way will I give the inquiry the go-ahead here.